What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a grill shave on your Focus ST. This works for both a pre-facelift and facelift ST. As you can see, my grill is already out, and that's because this is a brand new shiny grill. My old one I cut into to make a custom grill and I didn't like it. If you're still waiting for the second part on that video, I probably still will finish the grill and try it out on the car. But for now, I just wanted a new OEM ST grill, and I found one cheaper than I thought they were. So I'm going to go ahead and do a middle grill shave on it and throw it on. If you've been keeping up with my videos, you've known I repainted the bumper and put that on already. So I'm going to have to take that off in order to put this new grill on. But I'm just going to be doing a grill shave right in the middle here, because the reason that it's actually blocked in the first place in the middle is for aerodynamic reasons on a stock Focus ST, because a stock one normally has a duct that goes there and there where there's an opening, and that'll direct air into the radiator and the intercooler. But since I removed all that ducting and I have the snorkel there, it's not going to hurt to have this taken out. It might increase the drag. It's not like you're going to notice it, but yeah, that is that. I'm probably going to end up making a duct for mine anyways to kind of block air from going to the side of both the intercooler and the radiator, but I'll do that whenever I take the bumper back off to do a tow hook and probably my splitter too. But I'm probably just going to put this grill on for now so it has a grill and looks mostly finished for now. But yeah, that is... We'll just cut to the chase here. You'll flip it over, you'll see there's this plastic here. You can even see the outline of the honeycomb mesh. And basically what we're going to do is take this angle grinder with a sanding wheel on it. Trust me, on my last grill, I shaved it with a Dremel. That was the worst decision ever. Don't do that. It's worth it to go out and buy a cheap $40 angle grinder just for this and have it around, and you get a sanding disc. And basically what we're going to do is just sand this down back and forth until the little pieces start to fall through here, and then it'll be completely shaved behind here. Then you might have to get like a razor blade and clean these areas out. We'll have to see. But as far as removing the grill goes, on a pre-facelift ST, you're in luck. It's really easy. You just grab it and pull it out. But I don't know if I just said pre-facelift or facelift. I meant facelift. If you have a facelift, I don't know if I said that or not, but yes, facelift, 2015 and up, getting your grill out will be very easy. You just grab it and yank on it and it'll come out. For the pre-facelift Focus ST, you have to take your bumper off, and these tabs back here are a pain in the rear to get off. Basically, the only way to do it is you're going to need like 10 to 15 flathead screwdrivers, and there'll be a white tab, or not white, whatever color your car is, I guess, or just the bumper plastic that comes through here, and you have to put a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, in between the clip and the part of the bumper that comes out and pry it open. But you got to leave the screwdriver in there because there's so many of them, you can't pull them out one by one. So I would have like maybe like a whole third of this with screwdrivers sticking in it, holding the clips out, and then I'll just grab it and yank it. And then I'd put something in here to hold it from clipping back in. You just got to move your way down and get it out. It takes a while. You need a little bit of patience and a lot of flathead screwdrivers, but you can get it done. I'm going to have to take my bumper off. If you don't know how to take your bumper off, there's other videos on how to do that. It's not very hard at all. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera. Wear face shield for these, because those things can throw a lot of hot plastic and also sometimes explode and hit you. Ask me how I know. Invest in a face shield. It'll be very useful for you to not lose your eye or get a piece of a grinder wheel stuck in your forehead. So yeah, I'm going to set the camera up. We'll get it started. Once I get this completely done, I'll take my bumper off and put it back in so you can see how it looks. But let's get started. Okay, so the grill shave is finished. Took about 30 minutes, but you can see that's what it looks like, all nice and clean. Sanded on the back. I used the angle grinder started to melt a lot, so I put a mask on because it smelled really bad, and then just had to keep working at it. And then I eventually, when I was done, I just used my fingers to pick out all the pieces stuck in the middle, and it is all good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bumper back off and pop the grill in so we can see what it looks like. Alright, so the bumper is put back on and the grill is all snapped in. You can see it there. You can see the intake snorkel in there. Super cool, and it kind of, these pieces here being blocked still help direct flow here instead of a side, so I think that will be good. I probably do need to repaint my crash bar because it's got a few rock chips in it, but it's nice when it's shaved because you can see the intercooler better through it, and it overall just looks better without that weird blocked piece in the middle. But that is pretty much it for this video. I mean, putting the grill back in, pretty self-explanatory. You just gotta make sure all the clips are aligned and then hit it really hard, and it should pop in. And then you just gotta put the bumper back on the same way you took it off, and you are good to go. This might actually end up being a pretty short video because of it's just a time lapse of me sanding it, but it's pretty easy. I think worth making a video on because I do think it makes the car look better. It's a nice subtle touch. But that is pretty much it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Nickjoenap, and I will see you in the next video.